Articulation points for Jeem is the middle of the tongue and the roof of the mouth that lies opposite to it. So that is the middle of the tongue, yeah, and the roof of the mouth that opposite to the middle of the tongue. That's the articulation point. You can see in another diagram. So that is the middle of the tongue. Change it. Okay, that's the middle of the tongue, and this bit is the opposite to the middle of the tongue. Okay, so let me explain that with 3D model. Okay, let's go there. So first let's go there. Okay, and similarly here. Okay. Okay, so the middle of the tongue would be, that's the middle of the tongue. Okay, you can see here, it's the middle of the tongue. Okay, this area. And if we change that one, see the roof. Okay. Okay. So the articulation point, the middle of the tongue, and you can see the roof of the mouth that is opposite to the middle of the tongue. So this area, that is the articulation point for Jeem, J sound.